The TG5000 Gas Monitor, a compact solution for advanced gas detection and workplace safety. Across industries, the need for integrated and reliable gas detection continues to grow. Organizations are looking for monitoring solutions that can be deployed quickly while supporting workplace safety initiatives. To meet these demands, MSA developed the TG5000 Gas Monitor, a compact, integrated solution built for dependable performance. The TG5000 Gas Monitor is a self-contained, general-purpose solution designed to detect a variety of gases. It is built with MSA's well-established Excel sensor technology, trusted in gas detection around the world. The TG5000 can be configured to detect gases such as oxygen, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, and combustible gases. With Excel sensors, the monitor provides dependable detection performance. For carbon monoxide and hydrogen sulfide applications, TrueCal technology helps maintain sensor calibration automatically and optionally monitors gas inlet, allowing sensors to operate for up to 2 years without the need for manual calibration. Designed with ease of use in mind, the TG5000 requires minimal installation and offers flexible configuration options. With Bluetooth capability, engineers and technicians can access the monitor wirelessly for setup and maintenance. This wireless access helps reduce setup time and simplifies maintenance in hard-to-reach areas. Its versatile design makes it an ideal fit across multiple environments, including wastewater treatment facilities, pharmaceutical manufacturing, commercial and public buildings, and light industrial environments. Proven sensor technology for diverse applications. By detecting gases and triggering alarms early, the TG5000 helps support on-site safety and can connect with broader facility monitoring systems. Its reliable performance makes it a trusted choice for facility managers and safety teams. The TG5000 Gas Monitor, integrated advanced design and reliable sensing technology for diverse general-purpose applications. Learn more at msasafety.com/TG5000.